Hey everyone, welcome to Tellor Dev Call, Tax Day, April 15th. Hopefully you guys filed your taxes. Um, yeah, so maybe that's why we tanked. Or I know we're not supposed to talk price, but right, you had to shave it off for taxes. Everyone had to dump right before it. Um, but anyways, yeah, super exciting week because we have Spuddy and a Krem back. They've been kind of gone for the past few weeks. Um, awesome to have them back. Um, some fun stuff we'll be doing. I'll be posting. There's a deep dive with intuition. It's going out. It's like processing on YouTube right now, so it'll be up in no time. And then yeah, we're just working on layer, and then I got a few other stuff we're getting live. Yeah, we'll just let you guys go. Yeah, Spuddy, how's things?
Things are great. I've been totally disconnected. I don't know what's going on, so I will
We'll keep you
kind of
up.
like we'll see
Yeah.
where I fit back in.
Yeah, I mean, we can go over with you today. The big things that we've kind of been doing, and Caleb's been doing a great job. Um, over you were kind of here at the beginning of it, but for Tellor and people watching this, we've deployed on like 4 new networks over the past month. It's been wild. So we have Kyoto testnet, ZK Sync testnet, Scale testnet, and then we're Frax mainnet and testnet. So all 4 of those are up, and we're in the process of getting bridges over there on mainnet and talking with users. So yeah, making sure that we're up live on those ones. That's good. The other thing, Threshold, they're using us live on mainnet now. Bitcoin price, so that's super exciting. And then Gyroscope is going to be using us on mainnet as well for the GYD USD price. Caleb made that last week. They said, I think he said it looked good. I'm gonna make sure he really likes it. Um, but so those are all some super exciting integrations that we're doing. So yeah, we have to work on getting all those up and running, making sure they're secure, tested. Yeah, and then Diva's been using us for donations as well with that new thing. So if you want to go back and check with the super long, complicated way to go pull data for that prediction market. It's fun.
Okay.
Cool. But Dan, how's things?
Good. So I'm working on a dispute test, like kind of end-to-end test, and it's disputing. I'm just going through some checks for balances and stuff.
Caleb?
Um, I got most of the Docker setup running. Just still working on the key things. I'm hoping Faku can take a look and hit us with some wisdom today at the 1 p.m. meeting. But other than that, I'm going to be, I guess I'll probably in a meeting with Spuddy. Because since I've been doing most of the Taliot stuff, while I'm waiting for Faku this morning, I was going to focus on adding ZK Sync to Taliot again, and getting that LETH price feed up for them.
Cool. Yeah, and let us know if there's any issues with that one. And then does test out Kyoto, does that one work now?
Oh wait, have you guys redeployed everything?
We did. Yeah.
I'll retry that. And I'll update the addresses and everything.
Yeah, that was fun. Anyway, Akram, anything on your end?
No, I'm just trying to go through the GitHub PRs that were closed, see what changed, if anything, to keep in mind. Just catching up, basically.
Cool. All right, Tim?
Yeah, so on Friday, I verified that the token bridge TRB withdrawals from Layer to Ethereum works, verified it with the token bridge contract. So that's looking good. And now, so I'm switching to deposits from Ethereum to Layer. Yeah.
Nice. All right. And then Ryan.
I'm going to review the ADRs from our discussion last week to see what kind of social content we can put around it, and then still working on the data feed, and might switch into the block explorer a little bit just to get my chops back up on those.
Nice. Cool.
Mike, we redeployed to Linea on Sepolia, so you should have the new addresses.
Yes, I saw. Thank you very much for reminding me of that. But yeah, I'm going to be focusing on the ADRs as well over the next couple days, doing a super deep dive into that.
Cool. Any questions? Anything else, guys?
No questions.
Well, I mean, we had the one. It was like last week. I think I had answered it.
Oh,
So somebody asked, Crypto Scholar asked, who's tipping on any chains? Spuddy would probably know the best answer to this, but do you approve of my answer on there?
Yeah. There would be / will be tipping if Chainlink ever went down on what do we got? Mantle, Optimism. Am I missing one? I gotta remember. But yeah, so like basically like our integrations on a lot of these L2s are fallback integrations, so they don't tip on a regular basis.
Then occasionally they do, just to test us out.
Yeah.
Oh,
Occasional tips, but it's not anything like you know,
regular.
it's a little bit risky to bridge, you know, to try to get some rewards that aren't flowing like constantly. So it's I don't know what else to say.
For sure. No, that works. But yeah, that's really good. Then yeah, let us know if you have any other questions. We'll be down here building that layer, and then I think we'll do another sort of deep dive on layer probably over the next month. We'll kind of go over some more of the architecture, just things that have changed since, because I think the last one we did was like back in November, and I think quite a bit of stuff's probably changed. So we'll do another one for you guys, and then yeah, hope you understand where we're coming from. Anyway, thanks everyone for watching. See you next week.